My name is Paul Breitenberg, and welcome to Sigma Supply. I'd like to thank you for coming to our open house for 2014. I hope you find some of the latest and greatest innovations and innovative packaging designs out there. We're a privately owned company that's been in the packaging business since 1970, bringing you the newest and greatest technology out there in the packaging industry. Welcome. Thank you for coming.
Lord Almighty, I feel my temperature rising. Ooh.
Good to be here. We're good to come out. The reason why I'm a Sigma customer is Connie here is very persistent and solved one of our issues on packaging our sofas to be able to ship it LTL. And in that capacity, we came up with a lot of suggestions, a lot of ideas from not just this company, other companies, but the best solution became one that Connie brought to our mind and brought the people out to show, a good solution to it. And plus, we ended up going further than that. We ended up buying strapping and banding materials and a new gun to band it with the right tension. So, it ended up being a bigger arrangement than I had anticipated from the very beginning. We're very happy, and the service has been great.
Well, I can tell you your sales reps are probably one of the most, they communicate very well, very reliable, don't have any problems with contacting them, which I know customer service is something that our company as well as Sigma takes pride in. I believe Sigma and Cordova Safety Products were just pretty much a perfect match when dealing with each other. We do safety products with Sigma. Sigma does do our packaging, which we greatly appreciate, and returning favors is part of the game. Sigma definitely does that. I believe families fail because of lack of communication. Well, these families won't fail because there is great communication between getting the product details, getting everything lined up to make a successful business run. We do together.
SafeZorb is an all-natural oil and chemical absorbent. It is a sustainable, 100% green, organic product. It makes a superior alternative to oil-dry, conventional clay-based, silica-type absorbents. The great part about it is it's very cost-effective. It's landfill-friendly. It's a non-leaching product, so you can dispose of it in a non-hazmat way, which will save the company money and any disposal fees. It works better. It's lighter. 1 pound of this is equivalent to 20 pounds of a clay-based absorbent. So you're paying less on freight, less on disposal. It's reusable. You can reuse it up to 3 times. Nothing on the market today can make that type of claim.
Sigma Supply means a lot to Sigma Stretch Films. We entered into a partnership 5 years ago, and partnership is a word way overused, but in this case, it truly is meaningful. We're both large, independent, privately held companies. We both believe in the same value, the family belief. Both companies are very close aligned. Sigma Supply has grown in 5 years into one of our top 3 distributors nationally. Just again, because of the way they go to market, we're both easy to do business with. We both believe in servicing our customers, really providing a great product and on-time delivery to our customers. And the relationship has just grown beyond belief. The biggest difference between Sigma Supply and other distributor partners is the fact that Sigma Supply, you can tell, again, their investment in the business. Large warehouses expanding into Atlanta, Dallas, outside the Mississippi, Tennessee, Arkansas facility. Again, easy to do business with. That's what every customer today is looking for. They want to hear that you can deliver the product on time at a fair and reasonable price, and that the product's going to work, and there's great follow-up. And most companies today just make it way too difficult for their customers to do business with them.
I always have felt, initially starting business with Sigma Supply, that it's like a family-run business, that I feel like I'm part of the family. And the relationships that I've built at the multiple locations around the country that I've worked with in the sales force is second to none. And that's why you're obviously growing with us, and we're growing with you. We custom make everything, and you custom fit your service based on our products for your actual application. So your follow through, the openness of communication, and the broad knowledge that we're talking about communication between the customer, distributor, and vendor all works together.
Hi, I'm Charlie Rufo here at Sigma Supply south of Memphis. We're here with some of the fellows from Sigma to demonstrate Rapid Bander. Rapid Bander is a revolutionary technology that consists of multiple bands. You can see we've got a reinforced web here, eliminating the propensity for the film to break as we increase tension. This enables us to deliver 200 to 300% greater force to load with anywhere from 10 to 50% less material. Stretch film is all about load containment. This gives us a great advantage in time, labor, material, and productivity for you as the customer. So here we are with a demonstration of the material. As you can see, we're paying out based on conventional technology, but our webs are in place. Material climbs, and here's where we start getting kind of unique. Don't think you can do that with most conventional films without shutting down your line. As long as you don't break all 3 or 4 webs, depending on 20 or 30-inch film, the machine will continue to run, and without compromise to performance, although you won't have the load containment depending on how big a break in film was captured during that transition. One of the advantages of Rapid Bander is the webs fully contain the load, so we can open this pallet up, cut it back. As you can see, the containment greatly, is relieved when we cut it back. But notice how the material does not continue to release and lose the load. We've got full containment down below. The customer can unload these layers and put this product back in the warehouse safely and securely.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth Quick, and I'm with Polychem. I'm the National Sales Manager, and I've been with Polychem for 35 years. And we've been calling on Sigma Supply probably since the 80s. And my father, actually, who was our first regional sales manager, called on Dan Hamby and opened up Sigma Supply as a Polychem distributor. So through many years of doing business together, we have not only formed a great business relationship, but a very strong personal relationship with Sigma and Polychem. So I personally hold Sigma Supply very dear to my heart, not just in business, but I've had the pleasure to enjoy the friendship with Banks and Scott and the entire Sigma team. So I want to say that they're very important to Polychem and growing market share, and they've expanded with us, and we look forward to expanding our business and market share with Sigma Supply. And I thoroughly enjoy all the folks here with Sigma. And I'll tell you a little secret, they're my favorite account.
Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm with 3M. I'm a packaging specialist. I've been with the company 14 plus years. I've been in the pressure sensitive tape industry 34 plus years. I've been calling on Sigma Supply since 1980. Sigma has grown many times since I started calling on them. They're a great company to work with. We've got some good local sales reps that I work with here in the Memphis area and also in the Hot Springs, Little Rock area.
My name is Kevin. I'm with SMEPAC. We are pleased to be here this afternoon in conjunction with StrandFlex and representing Sigma Supply. What we are showing today is our automatic L-sealer machine. What we're going to be running in a few minutes is a multi-pack of tape showing how well our machine shrink wraps the tape. What I want to make everyone aware of is we have two product lines, polyolefin to run with the StrandFlex shrink film and the bundlers for multi-packing and tray wrapping options. I'm going to demonstrate the operation of an automatic L-sealer and the shrink tunnel step by step. We're going to take two pieces of tape and shrink wrap them together. We place them on the belt. They go into the seal area, automatically seal, and then go into the shrink tunnel. No operator needed.
Some of our customers might be very interested in understanding why Sigma Supply. First of all, Sigma was our first partner in North America. They are technically astute. They've got a great sales group, and basically they can provide full service for your needs at the local level on an ongoing basis. We welcome the opportunity to service your needs and look forward to talking with you about Rapid Bander and Sigma Supply.